We are here.
We are.
We have arrived.
We are doing holiday prep. And as part of our holiday prep...
We have to pick a motorcycle.
We do. So we have travelled up to Nottingham to our very nearest Harley Davidson dealer. The reason we're at Harley Davidson... I'm telling them. The reason we're at Harley Davidson is because we are off to America. And I messaged a number of motorcycle dealers over in America, and Harley Davidson come back to me and said they would be willing to support us with a bike while we're out there. So it did change our trip because we had hired a car. And now we have returned the car hire.
Yes.
Because our entire trip now is riding a Harley Davidson motorcycle around Florida. And so we are here to have a look.
Pick three.
Pick three, and so we can let them know what we might want and see what they can do to support us. So let's go and check out some motorcycles. Looks nice.
Yeah.
What is it?
This is a Road King.
A Road King.
Yeah. It's got a little hairnet, look.
Little hairnet.
You can grab a sit?
How am I supposed to... My question is, how do I fit with the big pannier things?
Here she is.
Hang on.
Here she is.
Oh, actually, okay, no, I take it back. Here I am. I was wondering where I was going to bound my legs and stuff were going to fit with the pannier boxes.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is not too bad, this one.
It's nice, isn't it? It's low. Is that going to work?
Possibly. Not bad, not bad. Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
How'd you get off him?
That was an issue, slightly, mildly. Tall, aren't they, some of them?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's this one?
This is a Street Glide.
Street Glide.
Yeah. Oh my God, that's wide.
I zoomed in like on your crotch then as you got on and said that.
It's comfy, am I wrong?
Well, put your feet on. It might feel less wide when you've got your feet on and got a proper shiver then.
Oh, that's got some weight to it.
Oh, is this where you should have been going to the gym so you've got the muscles?
Yeah.
You don't look like that's comfortable and your pedal proper shaking here. I'm so sorry, people, if this footage
No,
is...
that's good.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's a lot of switches.
Do you feel like you're in Sam Crow with the front bit to it? All the plastic aesthetic going on there.
Don't know about on English roads, but on an interstate. Don't feel too heavy. You want to come try?
I'm coming. I'm shivering my way over.
Go watch the bags on this one.
This footage is so going to be... Hang on, what's this?
It's a TV.
Are we going to have a TV if we have one of these?
Yeah, it's not a TV though. It's like the speedo will be in there and all the stuff.
Don't. Hang on.
I got it.
There's very little room here between these panniers.
That's fine. That one is not going to hit that one. I've got it.
Be careful of that one.
I am.
That side. I don't know if you're being careful enough when I'm saying be careful. Oh. No, you know, I'm impressed with this. It looks like you're going to be uncomfy, but you're not.
Looks like you're going to be uncomfy, but you're not.
Well, yeah, because there doesn't look a lot of, like, this is a good leg angle.
Yeah.
And I'm taught, put your head up. Oh, yeah, I think I'm going to be, like, good,
seeing.
Good peeping.
Good for seeing.
Good for seeing, good for peeping and doing.
Yeah, this is good.
It's got a big tank though, hasn't it, this one?
Yep. It's low though.
Were you careful of that?
It's all right.
You're not? You're going to bosh that
I'm not
one?
going to bosh it.
Don't bosh them, because I don't want to have to
I'm not
buy
paying
one.
for it. You break it, you pay for it. Oh dear.
How are you feeling about the weight?
Weight's fine. Careful of that one, don't bosh it. But yeah, no issue.
For a holiday, if we were granted something like this, I think it would be nice. Personally, I don't think I'd own something with that on the front.
No, if it was a personal choice, it'd be the road glide. Well, actually, it'd be the street bob down there, but
yeah, but then
that's only because the street bob looks like a big Sportster.
That's only because we do pattering about stuff, really.
Yeah.
But I suppose actually for touring, that might be really useful.
Yep.
It's just different, and that, yeah, okay. I suppose it is just different uses and different things. Do you think, now last time we went to America, we had a windshield on the bike that we'd got, and you said it was really inconvenient for you because the wind was coming over the windshield and then like bopping you on the head.
Yeah, I think this would be different because it's more of an angle. That was like a flat screen.
That was my question, without it being really a question. You want me to get off now, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. This one's got a backrest.
This one's what?
Got a backrest. They are good, you know. They do feel comfy. But
Is this Pillion Kingdom, is it?
well, when I'm used to a 3/4 seat on the BSA, this one is.
Let's not be getting any silly ideas, am
This
I?
is much different. This is like.
It's proper, is it?
Yeah, I'm going to sit in that one with an armrest over there in a minute.
Oh no.
You know what this could be? We could have 100 gold wings soon.
Oh. Don't. Take the camera, get off the bike. You've just committed a cardinal sin.
Oh, okay, I don't know Joe's intention for his videos, but we are at Daytona in Florida, and I thought I would just show you our hotel room just before I make a mess, because it is 12 o'clock at night. We have had an extremely long day travelling, but we have made it. I don't know if you guys can see this. The sea is just right there, and there is Daytona. We are here for Biketober Fest. It is bike week, so we're going to go out in the morning and pick up a bike for the week. But yeah, I thought I'd give you guys a quick peek. There's already quite a few bikes out and about. There goes a chappie on his bike. We've seen quite a few already. But yeah, I'm excited to see this view in the morning. Morning, we're back. This is our view that I wanted to show you all yesterday. The sun is out. Oh, let me move my gimbal end down. Sun is coming up. That sea looks beautiful, but it is a bit rough this morning. It's quite windy. But yeah, you can see so much clearer this morning. I'm like a child. I woke up at 5 o'clock and woke Joe up. I'd had about 3 hours sleep, so I was instructed to go back to bed, but it's about 7:30 now, so it's a much more reasonable hour. But we are going to go and pick up a motorbike today, so we've got a bike for 2 weeks, so stay tuned to see what we get. And then we're going to go exploring, because I believe there's a big chopper show today that we're going to go and see if we can find.
We made it to Daytona.
It is day one. I wonder what that was then.
That's me.
Oh, I can't cope being on the 27th floor.
It's a long way
very
down.
high.
It's a long
very
way
high.
down.
But yes, we made it. We had a very big day travelling yesterday.
We did. 20 odd hours.
It was a long day. We couldn't get a direct flight, so we had to have a short stop in Atlanta.
It wasn't too bad though.
No, it wasn't. It
And the
was just...
security lady shouting at me, but we'll get to that later in the video. We've just had a wonderful breakfast at Starlight Diner.
Starlight Diner, yeah.
I did take a little bit of B-roll in there, but it was getting quite busy, wasn't it? So we didn't want to record.
The staff were so friendly.
It was lovely, and we are now heading off because we've got a very nice gift.
From Harley Davidson.
Harley Davidson, yeah. So we're going to go and see what they've got to offer us.
Pick up a bike, so we can join in.
Looking at the map, there was like quite a fair bit of stuff around where we're picking the bike up from, weren't there?
Yes, sorry, I thought you were going to say looking at the map, we're misjudging how far everything is.
Everything is miles.
This morning we sat and just had a little look, because some things on the map say like, oh, it's a 20-minute drive. So you think, oh, well, I could stroll down to that. It's a 3-hour walk.
Yeah, we're not doing any of that.
We're all a bit skewed.
But the main street is literally over here somewhere, and it's not far away at all.
Yeah, sort of in line with that bridge, I believe, from my Googling.
So, yeah.
But this hotel is getting fuller and fuller the longer that we're here. It's a lovely hotel.
But from what we gather talking to people, it's not just on that main street. Like, that's where like it centralises, but as we've seen this morning, they are taking over the town, aren't they? So
there is bikes everywhere.
Emily's found the pool and the,
yes, I've got
and the bar.
Pool. So tomorrow, when Joe goes off to play with Weems Motor Co, I get to have a day having cocktails and swimming in the infinity pool.
Yeah. So, yeah, you get stuck with just me in that video. We're going to try and split that out, I think. So what I'm doing with Jared will be kind of centralised, even though it will happen over a couple of days in parallel.
Yep.
And then the evening activities and us messing about here will be a video on its own, and then whatever we find elsewhere.
It's hard. It's hard to sort of plan and gauge because we don't know what we're going to come up against and we don't know what we're going to find. So it's hard to say, I want to do a video of this.
Yeah.
Because we don't know what that is. Like today, we're going to go and get the Harley now, and then we're going to go and find a chopper show that we've seen an advert for. Whether we actually find it and whether it becomes a thing are two separate.
Plus, we're going to get a feel for the bike as well, so we'll have a little bit of a run up and down the strip, I think.
Yes.
But
yeah, come with us because we're excited. So.
But yeah, we have got new cardos on. That was very kind, wasn't it?
Definitely.
Taylor to get them sent out.
Yes.
So we're trying the Packtalk Edge and the Packtalk Pro. So see if that's any better than the old Bluetooth units we had. Yeah. They've been really good though. We've had them for 5, 6 years.
Years, really robust.
So
really robust.
So let's see.
Yeah, come with us. We're going on the outside.
This is bittersweet. We have just had the best experience.
Yes.
We've seen lots of nice motorcycles and the worst experience that we could have predicted, all in the space of 10 minutes.
Yeah. So we've picked up a lovely Street Glide from Harley Davidson.
2024.
Really nice.
Fully kitted out, all black, got all the kit on it.
Really fancy mod cons, and it has enough pannier space that we can leave our helmets and all of our bike gear with the bike, and we can stroll around empty-handed, which is lovely.
Lovely big Tory seat for you.
Going to be so comfy.
There are motorbikes everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere you turn, it is so loud.
It's so busy. I mean, we've come over to like the north side of Daytona.
Yes.
A bit more inland, and we're near a very big Harley Davidson dealer. But even over this lot, where it's quite bike-centric, isn't it? But there's so much going on just here.
Yeah.
And this isn't the main street or any other stuff. The other side of it, they've literally taken over the whole town.
Yep. Motorbikes have took over.
The chopper show on the way here, didn't we? We've seen.
Yeah, we're going to call into that on the way back.
Custom hot rod shops and just everything. So yeah.
Yes.
And then you got a text message.
I got a text message and an email to say that our hotel in Miami has been cancelled. But then I've just had to make an international roaming charge call, which I don't know how much that's going to cost me, to speak to somebody in reservations for the hotel chain that we booked to say, no, it has been cancelled. And now because of dynamic pricing, our room is available, but not at the price we paid. It's more than doubled.
Unbelievable. So we're now going to get a drink somewhere. We'll have a bit of a look around and see whether we can find somewhere to sleep otherwise.
Otherwise, guys.
Looks like we're sleeping on that street glide. or we'll just stay in Daytona, forget it.
Yeah, we'll just change the
Or go to Orlando or something. Yeah, we'll just switch it up, but yeah, really not impressed.
No, not impressed at all. Booking.com and Sunday the Abbey. Shame on you. Making us homeless. Right, let's go see some bikes because that's more fun and that'll cheer us up. I think so. Past the glare of orange that is you.
Hello.
Hello.
3, 2, 1. Right. See how this behaves then.
Oh God.
You ready?
As I'll ever be.
It's a big old thing. There we go.
Oh my God. I'm sweating.
What are you sweating for?
It's because I'm nervous. Oh.
Slippy slide?
Slip slide me. I'm not here to be slip slid.
Are you not?
No. I'm so nervous. I'm trying to not be.
How is it on the back on this 2024 Street Glide?
Very spacious. I'm very comfortable. I'm not used to a backrest. We don't normally have one. And I'm very propped up on this with a lot of padding.
So where are we going?
To a chopper show. I don't know what time it is. It's only on till 4 o'clock. But there was a lot more there than we were expecting. And we spent a bit longer mooching around the Harley dealer and bits over there. But yeah, we're going to go and see what we see.